Hello everyone, it's me about DM007. Today I'm talking about a new website. It's a e-commerce website. It's named Fresh Grocery website. Source code link in this video description. Please check it. I have using in this site front-end HTML Bootstrap, jQuery, Ajax, Reactjs, and backend PHP framework Laravel. First of all, you can see here language option. You can select your language. Then you can see here the helpline number, also login registration form. Now we're going to create a user profile. Write here your name, email address, password, confirm password. Then click on create account. We have created our account. Now we are going to update our profile. Here you can see the user dashboard, also purchase history, download. Now we are going to manage profile. Here we can upload our image, then update it. We are successfully added our profile picture. Here we can see our all of categories: foods, vegetable, meat, fish, coffee, etc. If you want to add a new categories, you can easily add it here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to edit categories and product. So we need to log in admin panel. Right here admin email and admin password, then login. After you log in admin panel, you will see this dashboard. Now I'm going to product option. Then if you want to add a new categories, easily click the categories. Then click to add new categories. Right here the categories name, categories icon, also categories banner. Then save it. Then you should see the successful pop-up message. Now we are going to create a new product. Easily just click on the product. Right here the product name. Select the product categories. Then product unit, weight, minimum purchase quantity. Then you can add it here tags. Now you refresh the web page and you can see the categories. Then click the categories and you see the items. If you want to update this product, you can easily update here. You can also edit here discount. Now I am showing you a order process. First of all, you need to select the product you want to buy. Then you can add to cart, add to wish list, add to compare. We will click on the buy now. Now I am adding here my address. Here address, country, state, city, postal code, and phone number. Then save it. Now select the delivery address, then continue. Then select your courier service, then continue. Then select the cash on delivery and agree box. Click the agree box, then confirm order. Then you can see this page. Thank you for your order. So now we can go to our admin panel. Then click to sales, all orders. Then click to view. You can see the order information like amount, total amount, shipping cost, category, total amount. Then download this invoice. In this website, admin can control everything. Admin can edit website setup like home page. Click this icon, you can change the home slider, home banner, home categories, Admin can change home setting, header setting, footer setting, pages setting, header logo. You can change website name. You can customize all of this. And this is my website short information. Thanks for watching this video. Stay safe and stay with DM007. Thank you everyone.